tell us something about the recruitment process of your company?
Typically, our procedures are simple and straightforward. When our HR executive calls the candidates, they come to know the aptitude of that person, the way that person speaks, whether that person is confident enough or not. So she has got a list of parameters that she looks into, and if the HR person feels that okay, this person can be called in for an interview, the person gets a call. After coming over here, the first and very important thing they have to do is take an English test. It's really not good on our part that we have to make English mandatory, but that's the way the industry works. 80 to 90% of the business happens in English speaking world, so we need to speak English. We cannot say, hey, I'm a Marathi guy, so no, I'm going to communicate only in Marathi. So that's really not possible. We code in English, so why not be proficient in English? We cannot write code in Marathi. So of course that's the first test. Then the second test is the aptitude test. It's a general mathematics and aptitude problem test. No rocket science involved in it. If there are any formulas to be used, we give that as an example, or we put that beside the question. The whole idea is just to see the speed with which a problem can be tackled by the interview. And then the next is the technical round, and then again the final HR round. In the technical round, I personally don't like to ask people to write programs on the whiteboard. It's humanly not possible. The program has to be written in an IDE or in a compiler. It's not to be written on the board. So our procedure is a bit different. We ask, or rather, we have a discussion about technology. We talk about latest developments in technology, some basic questions about whatever topic is involved, and then we pass on the person to the next round for the HR interview. So that's the total life cycle, you can say, of our interview procedure.